JEE 2019 paper 2 question number 4. P is a matrix 1 1 1 0 2 2 0 0 3 and Q is a matrix, another matrix 2 0 x x 4 x x 0 6 and P and R is equal to P into Q into P inverse, then which are the correct? Here are 4 options. Let's try to solve it. At first we take determinant of R is equal to determinant of P into determinant of Q into determinant P inverse. That implies determinant of Q, that is equal to determinant Q means 4 into 12 minus x square. Now our option A, RHS is determinant that plus 8. RHS is determinant that is RHS is equal to determinant of 2 0 x x comma 4 x 4 x x 0 6 plus 8, that is equal to 2 and 46 2 and a constant this apply minus 0, that is equal to 4 into 10 minus x square plus 8 is equal to 48 minus 4x square, and R, right, left hand side is equal to R. R is 48, R is also 48 minus 4x square. Therefore option A is right. Determinant R is equal to determinant of this means 48 minus 4x square. Determinant R is also 48 minus 4x square. Therefore option A is right. Option B is for all x is equal to 1 there exists a unit vector alpha x plus beta y plus gamma x for which r into a vector alpha beta gamma is equal to 0 0 0, that is unit vector. So alpha comma beta comma gamma is equal to 0 and modulus of A not equal to 0. So it is not a unit vector. Therefore B is cross, not correct. Now option C. Now our option C. Option C is x is equal to 0 belongs to R, a matrix 1AB is equal to 6 1AB, then A plus B is equal to 5. We know R is equal to 1 by determinant of P into P Q determinant P matrix into Q matrix into P inverse. Okay. Then P 1 by this is our P determinant of P means 3 is this constant, 6 is 1 by, therefore 1 by determinant P is equal to 6. Now matrix P into matrix Q. Matrix P is equal to 1 1 1 0 2 2 here from 0 0 3 into Q matrix 2 0 0 0 4 0 and 0 0 6. Therefore P inverse. Now we should calculate P inverse. Here I should calculate P inverse like that. That is P inverse is equal to, at first, cofactor of matrix P. We should calculate. Okay. Cofactor of matrix P is equal to here P matrix is this. Then cofactor 6 to it fixed. There one's cofactor is 6. Then fixed item. This is 0. This one 0. And this one sign change -3 fixed, that is 3. Another sign change -2, 0 sign change -2 and 2. This is cofactor of matrix P. Now adjoint of P. Adjoint of P is equal to, just change the columns into rows. That is 6 -3 0 0 3 -2 0 0 2. This is adjoint. Now inverse. This is, now P inverse. We should put the value of P inverse, that is 6 0 0 -3 3 0 0 -2 2. Here this one became in, we put this one. Now we should calculate this, that is multiplication this and this. At first we get 1 by 6. After multiplying this and this, 2 and 4 is this is 6, first, second, 0 8 12 0 0 18. Then multiplied with P inverse 6 -3 0 0 3 -2 0 0 2. after multiplying this and this, 1 by 6 into this is 12, 6, 4, 0, 24, 12 multiplied 2 and change 8 and 0, 0, this is 36. It is our R. Now what R is equal, R into ABC is equal to 6 into ABC, 6 into vector ABC. Okay, now R is R into, we should want to prove R into ABC is equal to 6 into 1 AB, sorry, that implies our R is 1 by 6 into 12, 6, 4, 0, 24, 8, 0, 0, 36 is equal to into multiplied with 1AB, that is equal to 6, 6A, 6B, equal to 6, 6A, 6B, implies 1 by 6, 12 plus 6A plus 4B divide second 4 0, it is 0 into plus 12 24A plus 8B, and the third one is 36B. It is equal to 6A, 5B, 6B. Now comparing this, that is comparing this 36, it is delete omitting, that is this comparing 24A plus 8B divide 6 is equal to 6A, implies that is 24A plus 8 of B is equal to 36 of A, implies 8 of A is equal to 8 of B, that implies A is equal to B. And another one is 12 A is equal to B, and B, putting the values in first, that is 12 plus 6A plus 4B divide, this one is lot of calculation, and the problem I think is too tough. 12 plus 6A plus 4B is equal to 36, implies 6A plus 4B is equal to 36 minus 12, that is equal to 24. A is equal to B, after putting we get B is equal to is equal to B, 10B is equal to 24, it is A is equal to B, therefore 10 of B is equal to 24 implies B is equal to 24 by 10. After putting this, we get A plus B is equal to 5. A plus B is equal to 5, and number C, our option number C is also correct. A and C is correct, B is our wrong option. There exists a real number x such that PQ is equal to PQ is equal to QP. This one, P and Q, after multiplying P and Q and is equal to Q and P, then I think we should get no such common columns and common rows. That is possible that PQ is equal to QP. So number D is our wrong option. Therefore, A and C is right and B and D is wrong option.